Very good afternoon to all the members of the media press present over here. My name is Nagendra Rao. I am President of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Let me first introduce my colleagues. On my left, C.S. Devendra B. Deshpande. He is the Vice President of the Institute. And on my right is C.S. N. Balasubramanian. He is the Chairman of Southern India Regional Council. The Institute of Company Secretaries of India is set up under an Act of Parliament. And we have our headquarters in Delhi. We have 4 regions. One is Eastern region in Calcutta. Second is Western region in Mumbai. Third is Northern region in Delhi. And fourth is Southern region, which is in Chennai at Nugumbakam. And our chairman happens to be the N. Balasubramanian. We have around 72 chapters in all across India so far as the institute is concerned, and we have around 65,000 approximate members. We have around 65,000 approximate members and around 350,000 students so far as all India presence is concerned. So far as the institute is concerned, you will find that in order to become a company secretary, the first stage is that you have to be register yourself for company secretary executive examination test. That is called as CSEET. You pass that CSEET, then you need to enroll to an course called as executive program. Once you register into an executive program, you pass that executive program, then you do into a professional program. Once you pass out the professional program, then you will have to undergo training and then you become a company secretary. And the institute is the only authority or only agency which is recognized to become the company secretary under the Act of Parliament. Now, during COVID-19, the institute has taken various initiatives for the benefit of members, for the benefit of students. Whether for the information of all of you, when most of the institutes, most of the educational institutes were closed down, we were still working online. We had conducted the first CSEET exam by a remote proctored mode. So remote proctored mode means through a laptop, through a desktop which has got a camera, we conducted the exam so far as the student is concerned, and student had written, good number of students had written the exam and have passed and progressed to executive. The executive as well as professional exams are conducted in the month of December and is conducted in the month of June. So every year there are 2 exams which take place. So December exam which concluded, the result which will be coming on February 25th. And the June exam which is going to come, the result will be on August 25th. So the date of exam, date of results are fixed. So there is no change so far as the date of exam or date of result is concerned. Company secretaries are called the governance professional. They are, the moment they pass, after passing, they are appointed as a compliance officer. They are appointed as a governance professional. We can be employed or we can enter into a practice. In other words, we can start as an entrepreneur the moment we pass out our company secretary by taking our certificate of practice. So you can get employment, you can also be starting your own practice. We all 3 members who are present on dais, you will find we 3 are in practice. In other words, we create more employment to the younger generation. We are in company secretary in practice. So we give more and more employment to the others rather than we joining some other companies. So you can either get employment or you can join as you can start your practice as a company secretary in practice. Second thing is, there are doctors, there are engineers, there are chartered accountants, there are cost auditors, then there are various other services, but none of them are having a mandatory employment guarantee which company secretary is having, because under the regulation, under the Companies Act 2013, Rule 8A talks about mandatory employment of company secretary in case if a company is having a paid up share capital of more than 10 crores. So any company having a paid up share capital of more than 10 crores, you will have that a company secretary will be there so far as those companies are concerned. So in other words, it is a guarantee for most of the professional. Presently you will find in in economic sense, you have something called as a demand, you have something called as a supply. So the demand for the company secretary is very huge because the supply of the company secretary is very limited. The percentage passing is very less, and therefore there is a huge demand so far as the professionals are concerned. So you will find many companies, you will find for example companies like Reliance, companies like Mahindra's, they are employing n number of company secretary. To give a simple example, in Reliance we have around 200 company secretary in that particular companies, where manning various roles and responsibilities. So company secretary need not do only company secretarial work, they are into legal, they are into HR, they are into taxation, they are into finance, they are into various components. So in other words, company secretary who plays a very important role, because once he passes out, he reports to the board of directors of the company. So when he has to report to the board of directors of the company, he has to have that knowledge pertaining to finance, he has to have the knowledge on taxation, he has to have the knowledge on HR. So in other words, he is generalist of all those particular area and specialist of company corporate laws, and therefore he is having that additional niche in the area of professional employability as well as in practice. So this is so far as the institute is concerned. Many initiatives are taken. Digital revolution, in view of COVID-19, you will find we have conducted series of webinars. First, in order to ensure that all our members, all our student mindset is not affected because of negativity of COVID-19. So first what we did is, we did all the programs for the improvement of mindset, bringing that positive energy back by virtue of organizing various programs through various scholars like Shri Ravi Shankar Guruji, Shri Vireshananda Saraswati, Ramdev Guruji, many other members who have come, who are very notable in the society. So they had come, they had addressed all these students, all these members. Similarly, many of the ministers, both in the union cabinet as well as locally in various state government, including chief ministers, came and addressed our members not only in pursuit of professional excellence. So we had Piyush Goyal ji, we had Nitin Gadkari ji, we had many ministers had come, Smriti Irani ji, so many of them had come, addressed our Kiran Rijiju ji, then from Narayana Hospital we have Dr. Devi Shetty, many people, luminaries had come, addressed all our members for the purpose of building the future, for the purpose of giving more and more professional advice to our members. Because competitions is everywhere, world is changing, India is changing, so we need to know more about the professional excellence. So Companies Institute of Company Secretaries, you will find play a very important role, as you will find Army, Navy, Air Force are there for the purpose of security of the nation. Similarly, Institute of Company Secretary is there for the security of the economy of the country, and we as a company secretary play a very important role in that particular connection. Various recognitions, relaxations have been given by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, by Securities Exchange Board of India, which has helped all our professional, and many more recognitions are due to come because of the outstanding work, outstanding services being rendered by the company secretary. So my suggestion, my request is to all the members from the media, that request all of you to kindly message this to all the youngsters, especially to those rural areas where our students are dynamic, especially in rural areas, but they don't know about a course called as company secretary. So they may not be aware of. So if you give more wider publicity to talk about that there is an institute of company secretary and they can play a very important role, are playing an important role, so that will help those particular students. Similarly, we have many programs, certificate courses, crash courses, membership courses, and various awards are there. We have entered into various memorandum of understanding with Indian Institute of Management. In fact, yesterday we had signed one memorandum of understanding with Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. We have signed till date 17 MOUs with all the Indian Institute of Management, and we have signed till today around 44 memorandum of understanding with various universities across India. So what is this MOUs for? This memorandum of understanding is going to help our professionals so that if they can go to these universities, they can go to these IIMs, they can give their special lectures, they can give, because these students who are there in IIMs, they may be learning, they may be becoming future leaders, but they may not be having those practical experience which a 15-year-old person, 20-year-old person, 30-year-old person. So all those niche person will be coming, addressing them and talking about practical issues which are there, so that those leaders which are created from various institutes can become a role model. So therefore, in a memorandum of understanding, similarly they will come, there will be an advantage for both Indian Institute of Management, universities, as well as for the Institute of Company Secretaries. Similarly, all of you know that corporate social responsibility is one of the most important thing today, CSR. So though we are a Section 8 company under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, we also think that we also, even though we are a non-profit making organization, we should also contribute to the society. So in that connection, what we do is, there is something called as Shaheed Ki Beti certificate. What is the Shaheed Ki Beti certificate? Shaheed Ki Beti certificate is nothing but any programs, any seminars, any webinars, or any chief guest, or any guest of honor, any keynote speaker, or any lecture somebody comes. So as a gratitude, we give either some cash award, we give some memento, we give a bouquet, we give something to the speakers, guest. So instead of giving those particular amount, memento, bouquet, what we do is we give a Shaheed Ki Beti certificate, and that particular Shaheed Ki Beti certificate amount is collected and it is being contributed to the Ministry of Defence, so that they can use for the children of the martyrs. So we give back to them so that the martyr's daughter can use those particular money. So every year we contribute almost to the extent of 25 lakhs on account of this Shaheed Ki Beti certificate, which is collected from the various 72 chapters what we have across India. We have 4 overseas centers, not only in UK, we have in Dubai, we have in US, and we have in Singapore. So any member of our profession who wants to go abroad for the purpose of employment, our overseas centers also helps them for various helping hand to those members who wish to relocate to US, UK, or other places. So therefore, a big opportunity for all the members, all the students, if they join our course. So my request to all the media people is, if you talk about our course, you will find more and more students will get benefit, and they will all bless you for the employability, for the future what you have created because of joining in our institute course.